Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host, Nate Jennings, having an exciting week for you as all the new 2019s are coming in. We got another 2019 GS Adventure. This is the R1250GS Adventure HP. So it's going to come in that light white with also the racing blue metallic. Gold wheels. You wait till you see this thing pop out. I've been waiting to see it in person, and it's impressive. We already took a little sneak peek. Let's do it the rest of the way, Josh. Let's get it done. This is the R1250GS, Bob. Bob, you gonna do a little dance for us or what, man? Everybody's been waiting. Oh, well, we're doing the RT next, buddy. That's Bob. He's grumpy. Hope he didn't hear all the way he talks to me. We're just dealing with it. Really like the changes they've made. This is going to be a different tank than what we saw on the other model, because it's the HP. So the other model in the ice gray had a beautiful sheen to the tank that just popped. Scoping it out, finding all the big differences for when I unveil this to you here in a hot second. So remember the color code: light white, racing blue metallic. And there's that light white. You got a white frame rocking for you. You've got a white tank with GS on the side, red and blue accenting. Another thing we pick up on is beautiful cross-spoke gold rims. And we're going to have gold calipers instead of the black calipers. Nice. Looking good. And really the engine bars are what popped the most for me. I love how they redesigned the engine bars and our radiator shrouds on the side right there. Getting our little BMW emblem, the rondelle popping for us a little bit more. And everything else is going to be the same as what we saw on our first 2019 R1250GS Adventure. And except for the saddle. We've got the conventional black saddle on this, where the ice gray had the red saddle to match the accenting up top side for the R1250 here. So we've got nice black bars, keyless TFT, adjustable windscreen, electronic suspension now that has auto preload for us. We've got our multifunction controller that operates our TFT as well as our navigator. And stay tuned, because we're delivering our first 2019 R1250GS Adventure right now. And we'll have that delivery video up for you with Mr. Jones coming up very shortly. Let's take a closer look at the HP. So we're going to check out those gold wheels. Prep for the aluminum panniers preparation kit already. The engine protection bars. Gold brake calipers. HP accenting on the front fender. Our LED headlight. Love that tank. Our switch cubes, which are going to be the same on almost every model now. TFT display. Come back down our black saddle. We're going to put our luggage rack on the back and complete the assembly of this motorcycle. We are seeing a trend that is still being outfitted with the HP and the Iceberg Gray. We're done with Bridgestone Battle Axe Adventure tires. So, we got the new 1250 power plant. We're unveiling this beast for you here today at the end of November 2018 from Frontline Eurosports Online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you catch the rest of our videos. Just check out Nate Jennings. You'll have some cues that come up to subscribe to our channel so you can get all the hottest and latest bike uncratings, deliveries, vlogging and riding, and all the track action that we have here for you at Frontline Eurosports. So thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.